Unlocking AI, how to use it effectively. AI isn't just for tech giants anymore. It's in your phone, your browser, even your inbox. But using it effectively, that's the key. First, start with identifying a need. Are you drowning in emails? Try AI email assistance. Struggling with content creation? Use AI tools like ChatGPT or copywriting generators to draft and brainstorm. Next, learn the language of prompts. Clear, specific inputs equals better outputs. Instead of saying write a blog post, try write a 500-word blog post about sustainable fashion for Gen Z readers. Don't forget ethics. Always verify facts, avoid sharing sensitive info, and be transparent if you're using AI in your work. And experiment. AI can help with coding, art, learning languages, even organizing your life. The more you explore, the more value you'll find. AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to amplify you. Use it smart, use it right, make AI work for you.